So let's assume you're a B2B company selling your products or services either offline or through third-party sellers. There's a few reasons why you would want to have a website and a few things you would want to achieve with that website. If you have a new or a very technical product, then website is great for education, explaining how it works and why somebody would need your product. Some companies use the website to show their understanding of the industry and the problem their customers face. So they use the website for thought leadership, blogs, videos, webinars to show they know more about this than anyone else. So that's really a type of content marketing. Location and logistics, right? On the simple end of things, maybe you just want people to know where you are, where they can buy your product through a partner, and who they go to when they need help. And then the one that applies to every business I can think of, and the reason I think every company should have at least a simple website, is credibility. When somebody Googles your company name, they expect to see a professional online presence, a virtual storefront, whether or not you're selling through it, that gives them a level of comfort that you are a reputable company. Think about the other things that they will see when they search for you for your company name. They'll see competitor websites. They'll see maybe some review sites. They'll definitely see social media profiles. And so some people will ask, well, why don't I just invest in social media platforms? It's something I'm comfortable with, and it's where my customers are. Maybe you have a killer Instagram feed, or you're active on LinkedIn. Doesn't that provide the same kind of credibility? Well, yes, kind of, but there's a couple of problems with it. Firstly, unless you're very lucky, your customers are going to be active on multiple social media platforms. So it can become time consuming to be active and consistently active on, let's say, Facebook and Reddit and TikTok. It actually requires more resource than building a simple website over time. But more importantly, you're at the mercy of that platform and that algorithm and that company's reputation themselves.